Hello, Marion here. I say this in almost every video, but you can read the title so you know what's coming. You clicked on this for a reason. I'm going to be unboxing my ethical Superstore order. I don't really know about my setup. I've got a plant behind me that I've killed. I've got a plant next to me that's a cactus, so of course I've managed to keep that one alive. Yes, I've got some scissors, and I'm going to open 2 medium-sized boxes for you today, and you can see what a Marion ethical Superstore order is. We're just gonna kick back and relax. You can put this on in the background of what you're doing, or you can stare at my face the whole time. So ethical Superstore, if you don't know, is a e-commerce site in the UK. They stock sort of like eco-friendly, ethical, sustainable alternatives. You can buy things in bulk on there, which is what I like to do. Yeah, just sort of like a ethical department store online. Not everything on there I would personally count as ethical. They have a mix of stuff, so they've categorized it by sort of like, if you want to use this plastic, you can shop for these things. If you want to support small artisans, you can buy these things. But if you want to be a little more thoughtful about the things that you're purchasing, this is one of the best places that I have found to do it. I maybe do an order every 3 to 5 months there, and when I do an order, I try and buy a lot at once. Yeah, just so I'm cutting down on like the van coming to deliver to my house, having to be home to get it. And I usually keep a running list on my phone of things that I'm running low on. Blah blah blah, Marion, open a box, okay? Okay. Let's hope I don't throw out my back getting this off of my bed or show my address. Oh my god. It's so heavy. Don't hit the tripod. Ethical Superstore does still use plastic tape on their boxes. I don't know if you can see that. There's a brand online that I shop with called Steenberg's, and they use paper tape, and I always really appreciate that they pack their stuff with like paper adhesive tape rather than plastic. I should probably email Ethical Superstore and say, have you considered using paper tape on your boxes? Hit my cactus. That could have been bad. It's another box in a box. We'll deal with you in a second. I got some dehumidifier refills. Plastic dome things that sit in the corner of my bedroom. I used them a lot in a previous flat of mine that I felt like was super damp, because that's living in the UK and especially London, and it helped absorb some of the moisture in the air. So these are the little pouches that you like put back inside this little blue dome. How many of these did I get? I think I got 6 of these little Oatly creams. I'm trying to eat vegan 5 to 6 days a week now, so these are really nice for making creamy pasta, kind of like a replacement for single cream, which is a really popular thing in the UK. I don't ever remember using single or double cream in the US. I'm just gonna start throwing these over my bed. Please do not open and explode. Okay, what else do I have in here? This is why this box is so heavy. Cases of Oatly oat milk. This is my partner's favorite. I have finally gotten milk, cow's milk, out of my flat. And I'm so happy that I discovered that he likes it. So I also got from EcoZone their laundry water softener tablets, which is just a little more earth-friendly, cruelty-free alternative to Calgon, which is also very popular in the UK. Basically, Calgon tablets are things that you put in every single wash to help prevent limescale, especially in hard water areas like London. Our landlord really wants us to use Calgon in every wash, but Calgon, I'm pretty sure, is owned by Unilever, or just some awful company. These have both the cruelty-free Leaping Buddy on it, as well as the Vegan Society logo. So I'm gonna give these a go, although it does sound like they're individually wrapped in plastic. Just elbowed my cactus. Ow, my god, ow, ow. Are the spikes in my arm? Yep. Remember when we liked the environment? Okay, well that was a really fun segue. I'm gonna open these plastic things. I'm officially afraid of this guy now. You'll see them later. I also get the Dishwasher Tabs from EcoZone. Their Dishwasher Tabs are not in plastic, but these are. Oh, how could you hurt me in this way? I believe I don't know if you say Ecover. They're another cleaning, like, eco-friendly cleaning product that you might have seen on the high street, but I think they've been bought by a shitty parent company. I've been trying to not buy them anymore and choose EcoZone instead. Although, you know, everything's problematic. Nothing is perfect. These are some recycled airbags. And this is definitely some heavy duty plastic. Although I can understand why they've done this, because this is plug hole hair unblocker. I always find that like I have a sink that's backed up and then I kind of have to deal with it that day. And the only things around me are like super harsh chemicals at the supermarket. So I've now purchased these to just keep under my kitchen sink. I'm prepared for the next time that my hair clogs up something. Even though it is like a little bit friendlier, you still wouldn't want this leaking all over the rest of the stuff in the order. It's like Christmas, but you know, it's just as fun for me. This is what I enjoy, and I really enjoy putting it away as well. Just laughing at my own purchases. Right, so I've got some emergency Marion's bad at feeding herself soup. So I got some organic tomato and basil. I think I got 2 of those. Some organic rustic vegetable. Some organic sweet potato and chia seed soup. This is their eco-friendly bubble wrap, so it's shredded paper. Oh yeah. Okay, so this is food grade rose water. I think it was like 4 pounds, maybe less than that. But what I want to try and do is put it in my old MV Organics toner spray bottle that I used to have my MV Rose toner in, and see if it feels as similar and luxurious as the MV one. Rosianna pointed out to me the other day when I mentioned that I was going to try this, that this might be super concentrated, so I might want to dilute this with some filtered water. This is me trying to get a cheap rose toner. I will keep you updated. 3 unsweetened organic almond milks. I'd like to make overnight oats a little bit more, but overnight oats with oat milk is just too much oat. And this brand is a UK brand. They're Soil Association certified. The last non-dairy plant-based milk I got is also from Plenish. I got one of their cashew milk, and I got those because I'd like to start making vegan butter more regularly. I'll put the link for the recipe that I use in the description. But I've made it once with oat milk and it still works, but it's not like spoon it from the jar. Sanne didn't get this when I said this. Like, good butter, I will like eat a little bit. And I would not eat a little bit just on its own of this vegan butter. It's still great for like spreading on bread and baking and stuff. But I'd like to try it with the cashew milk, which is what is recommended in the recipe. So I got one of these. Alright, home stretch. Second to last thing is something that I already mentioned. It's the EcoZone box of 72 dishwasher tablets. These are really good. And I like them because they aren't individually wrapped in plastic. Final thing is some dishwasher salts. Again, our dishwasher needs salt because the water here is so hard. This helps the dishwasher keep from getting lime scale buildup. I've bought this before and it didn't have a plastic bag inside, and I think they've started making it with a plastic bag inside. So that's the end. Was this interesting? Was this weird? Was this boring? Was the best part of this video where I stabbed myself with my cactus? If I'm not mistaken, Ethical Superstore do have a referral program, so if there is any information about how to get money off, I'll try and put that in the description as well. Let me know what you thought of this. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any recommendations for eco-friendlier products or where to get them in the UK. I would love to know about them. I'll see you next time. Take your time, time after time. Okay, I can't remember what we said as was our sign off. Do you have a sign off? Still working on it. Alright. Bye!